Hey friends, we will hear the sounds of cute and adorable animal sounds. Cat sounds and their meanings. Cats often make a variety of sounds ranging from meowing, purring, hissing, to growling. Just like humans, each cat sound has a different meaning. Cat sounds can be used to greet, attract attention, express joy, fear, pain, or aggression. Kittens are generally more communicative than adult cats, just as house cats are more talkative than house cats. Compared to wild cats. Dog sounds and their meanings. Dogs make many different sounds from barking to growling, whimpering, and crying. Some dog breeds tend to be louder than others. VetStreet compiled a list of the most talkative dog breeds in a survey of more than 250 professional veterinarians. Rabbit sounds and their meanings. For some rabbit owners, the happiness of their furry friends is as important as their own. Therefore, they will do anything to keep their rabbits happy, from the conditions of the cage to good nutrition. Pig sounds and their meanings. Pigs use their voices to communicate with other members of the community during foraging, parent-child communication, or to report stress, says Lisa Collins, animal health, behavior, and welfare specialist at the University of Lincoln School of Life Sciences. Meowing sound and its meaning. The urban vulture, also known as the Savannah nightjar, as its name suggests, is nocturnal. The tabby cat is the most common and easy to recognize because the distribution of this bird is very wide compared to other nocturnal birds. According to eBird, the urban hive is a bird species that can camouflage itself in the dark and adapt to cities. The bird's signature sound is a high-pitched creak.